How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can remove background from image in Inkscape. So we are going to use this character as an example. And the first thing that you want to do is to just head over to the document properties, and you want to make sure that you're using the checkered option. You also want to use the transparent option right here. And basically it's going to look something like this. As you can see, I have a white background on my image. So in here, select your image, click object, or click path, and then you want to click on trace bitmap. From here, you then want to make sure to adjust the brightness cutoff threshold, making sure that everything is selected on your image. So let's click on update preview, click on apply, and then it will be highlighted onto our model right here. Click on path, click break apart, and then you want to do the same thing, which is inside path. And now let's click union. You then want to highlight everything, and then let's select object, clip, and then set clip. And then it will look something like this. So from there, that's how easy it is to remove the background from your image in Inkscape. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guides to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.